What's up, y'all? It's Pretty Rich. Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I pluck this wig. As you can see, the knots are already bleached and everything, so stay tuned so you can see how I pluck it. Okay, so when I get my wigs, I like to cut these little combs out because I just feel like it rips out people's hair, so I just cut those out. And I also cut this little piece of lace that comes in the back. I cut that off too because there's no point. And then I just use this little razor because I just feel like it's easier to use. Like, that's the best way for me. So y'all most definitely gonna need a comb to comb all like the excess hair that you pluck or whatever. And then of course tweezers to pluck the hair. And then for the arrogant TAE method, I use this white towel. Well, don't mind the stains because that's makeup from like the lace or whatever. Okay, y'all, so I'm putting the white towel on my knee, and then I'm gonna place the lace wig on top of it so that I can see the hairline or whatever, and that kind of avoids over plucking. Like, you just see way better with the white towel underneath. The hairline is pretty thick right now, so all that is gonna get plucked. Okay, this is a very important step. You want to part a thin piece in the front and then begin plucking. Okay, y'all, so right now you're just going to see me plucking. Just keep on watching. Just gonna keep repeating the process. Take out hair, pluck, take out hair, pluck. Okay, so once you're done, as you can see, I'm done with this little section. So I'm just gonna brush all the hair back, and you can see how much I plucked. I plucked really good. And also another thing, I guess by the temples, you want to make that a little bit thinner because our natural hair is already naturally thin right there. So you always want to make sure the temples are more thinner than like the front area. And right here, I'm just trying to show y'all the difference between the two sides. Now I'm just doing the left side, and then I'm going to move on to the middle. Alright y'all, this is how it looks when it's done. So it looks really natural. Bleaching the knots is really gonna help. That's very important also, but I'll do a separate video on that, like a tutorial of how I bleach my knots and whatnot. In the end, this is how much hair I was left with that I had plucked. All that is all the hair that I plucked from the hairline. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope this video helped some of you guys. More content coming soon. Just subscribe to my channel, and you guys can also follow me on Instagram. It should be on the screen in the video. Thank y'all. Love y'all. Pretty Rich is out.
Boss.